Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Avalanche from Bitrue to your Ledger Nano X. This step-by-step guide will have you moving your tokens safely in no time. First off, why do this? Bitrue is great for trading, but storing your Avalanche on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X adds an extra layer of protection against hacks and online threats. Before we jump in, make sure you have a few things ready: your Ledger Nano X device, the Avalanche app installed on it, and your Bitrue account set up with some Avalanche tokens. Also, double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. It's a quick process through the Ledger Live app. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer and open the Avalanche app on the device. You'll see your wallet address pop up on the screen. Write this down or copy it carefully, as it's unique to your wallet. Next, log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets section and select Avalanche. Click on Withdraw and paste in the address from your Ledger. Don't forget to enter the amount you want to transfer, but always leave a little extra for network fees to ensure it goes through smoothly. Now, for the crucial part: double-check everything. Make sure the address is correct. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Once you're confident, hit Confirm on Bitrue and approve the transaction on your Ledger device when prompted. After that, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. You can track it using a blockchain explorer like Avalanche's official site. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer Avalanche to your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto. Never share your private keys and keep your devices updated. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.